7 days. No distractions, no excuses. Most people won't even last 24 hours. Will you? There's a version of you you've never met, not because it doesn't exist, but because you're too distracted to become it. Your days aren't hard, they're just scattered. A little scrolling, a little comfort, a little procrastination, and just like that, another day disappears. So instead of chasing motivation, I removed the noise. Not forever, just long enough to hear my own mind again. No cheap dopamine, no constant stimulation, just work, rest, repeat. Simple rules, but brutally hard to follow. You take control. Not a new life overnight, but a sharper mind, a calmer focus, a version of you that actually follows through. So try it, 7 days, and see which version of you shows up.